Rahim. Assalamu alaikum to all friends. So welcome back in my new video. So friends, in this video I totally describe to the basic problem of emergency flood repair. So first of all, you should take precautionary step. So first of all, you open the Google and tap this emergency flood repair. So I already tap this emergency flood repair. So search this and scroll down, and this website restorationuk.com. Tap this website. Okay, this website has opened, and this number is a show this, and when I tap this number, so this number is automatically converted into phone number. And the second step is very important, and this step is that you should know some solutions about this problem. So I already tap this text, so here we go. First of all, my topic is emergency flood repair is a comprehensive process that involves the following steps. So step number one, these all steps are 10. Okay, so these 10 steps are the solution of this problem. So first of all, the step number one is assessment. The first step is to assess the extent of the damage caused by the flood. This includes inspecting the structural integrity of buildings, electrical systems, plumbing, and any other affected areas. And step number two, safety measures. Ensure the safety of residents and workers by disconnecting electrical power, gas, and water if necessary. Secure the area to prevent further damage or accidents. Step number three, water removal. Use pumps, vacuums, or other equipment to remove standing water from the affected area. This is crucial to prevent mold growth and further structural damage. Step number four, drying and dehumidification. Use industrial grade dehumidifiers and fans to dry out the affected area. This step is essential to prevent mold and mildew growth. Step number five, structural repairs. Repair and replace damaged walls, flooring, and structural components as needed. This may involve carpentry, masonry, or other construction work. Step number six, electrical and plumbing repair. This step is very important, so carefully listen. Electrical and plumbing repairs. Ensure that electrical systems and plumbing are safe and functional. Replace damaged components and wiring as necessary. Step number seven, mold remediation. Address any mold issues that may have developed due to the flood. This includes cleaning and disinfecting affected areas. Step number eight, restoration. Restore the affected area to its pre-flood condition. This may involve repainting, retiling, and replacing fixtures. Step number nine, inspecting and testing. Ensure that all repairs and restoration work meet safety and building code standards. This often involves inspections by relevant authorities. Step number eight, this step is lost, and this step name is documentation. Keep detailed records of all repairs and costs for insurance purposes. Emergency flood. Okay, friends, first of all I tell you about emergency phone number, and second I totally describe you these some important steps of this problem solution. So this step is 10, And the last one is emergency flood repair can be a complex and time consuming process, and it's essential to hire professionals who are experienced in handling such situations to ensure the safety and quality of the repairs. Okay friends, so if you face these types of problems, example emergency flood repair and etc., so keep calm, cool down, and take these types of solutions that I prefer you. Okay friends, see you, bye.